Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve chapter 10 example number 3 and question number first. Clear? Question is given that PQ is a card of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangent at P and Q intersect at point T. Find the length of TP. Clear? Given. PQ is a card and OP is a radius. TP and TQ are two tangents. Clear? We have to find length of TP. Clear? Construction. B join point O to point T, comma P and Q. Clear? Proof. Now, in this triangle, we have to TPQ. TPQ. If we prove this angle is equal to this, so we have to say that TR is the perpendicular angle bisector of PQ. Clear? So first we prove this is an isosceles triangle and this TR is a angle bisector of TPQ. Clear? Now, in triangle TPO, and triangle TQO. Clear? In triangle TPO, so OP is equal to OP is equal to OB, since radius of same circle. Radius of same circle. Again, TP is equal to TQ. TP is equal to TQ. Tangent on the same point. Same. Tangent from the same point. From the same point. And TO is equal to OT. TO is equal to OT. This is the common side. Common side. Clear? So we can say that triangle TPO is congruent triangle TQO. TQO. Clear? So this angle 1 is equal to this angle 2. So we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and by CPCT. And it is also given TP and TQ are two tangent from the same point. So it is equal to the TP is equal to the TQ. Clear? So we say that TPQ is an square triangle and TO and TO is the angle bisector of angle PTQ. Now in triangle TPQ, angle TRO. In triangle TPQ, angle TRP and angle TRQ is equal to 90 degree because angle bisector of an scalous triangle is the perpendicularly bisect to the front side. Perpendicularly bisect to the front side. Clear? So we can say that this angle will be 90 degree and this is also equal to the 90 degree. Clear? Again we have to let me suppose this is, so this will be equal to 4 unit and this is also equal to 4 because this PQ divide into two equal halves. Clear? Now in a right angle triangle PRO hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here is 90 degrees, so it is also equal to 90 degree. This will be hypotenuse, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. So hypotenuse square, this is equal to 5. So it equal to 5 square is equal to perpendicular 4 square plus base square. So base is equal to root of 25 minus 16. So b is equal to 9 centimeter. B is equal to 9 centimeter root of. So b is equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? Let me suppose this is equal to x unit and this is equal to y unit. Clear? Now in a right angle triangle, again in a right angle triangle TPO, in a right angle triangle TPO, here it is equal to 90 degree because this is tangent and radius, because the angle formed between tangent and radius is always equal to the 90 degree. So it will be hypotenuse, and this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Clear? This is equal to the x plus 3 total length, this and this. So hypotenuse square, that means x plus 3 whole square is equal to the 5 square plus 5 square plus y square. So it will be x square plus 3 3 is a 9 plus 6x is equal to 25 plus y square. Clear? This is equal to the x square plus 9x, that means minus 16 plus 6x minus y square is equal to 16. 9 will be transferred and becomes minus, so it will be 16. This is equation number first. Again in a right angle triangle TRP, in a right angle triangle TRP, in the right angle triangle TRP, it is here is 90 degree, so it will be hypotenuse and this will be base and this is the perpendicular. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is equal to the y, so y square is equal to the 4 square plus x square plus x square. It will be y square is equal to the 16 plus x square, 16 plus x square. So this is equal to equation number second. Put y square is equal to 16 plus x square in equation number first. So we have to x square plus 6x minus 16 plus x square is equal to 16. Again we have to x square plus 6x minus 16 minus x square is equal to 16. This will be cancelled out from, since this is positive and this is negative. Again, six x is equal to the 16 plus 16. X is equal to the 32 divided by 6. X is equal to the 2 3 ja 2 16 ja 16 divided by 3. Clear? Now we put the value of x in equation number second. Put x is equal to 16 by 3 in equation number second. So we get y is equal to root of 16 plus 16 upon 3 whole square. Y is equal to the 16 plus 256 upon 9. Y is equal to the root of 144 plus 256 upon 9. Y is equal to the root of 400 divided by 9. 144 plus 256, it becomes 400. So y is equal to the square root of 400 will be 20 and square root of 9 will be 3. So the length of TP is equal to TQ is equal to 20 upon 3 centimeter. Clear? Now again solve question number first, exercise 10.1. Question is given that from a point Q, the length of a tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Clear? Find the radius of circle is. Find the radius of. Find the radius of the circle is. Clear? First we draw a circle with center O. Clear? And let me suppose an external point is Q, which is 25 centimeter from the center, and the length of tangent is equal to the, this is equal to 24 meter. Clear? This is equal to P. Tangent at from a point, this tangent to a circle is in centimeter. Let me suppose this point will be P. Now this is equal to the radius of the circle. Clear? Given QP is equal to 24 centimeter is a tangent and OQ is equal to 25 centimeter. Find OP. Proof. In figure angle QPO is equal to 90 degree, because angle between radius and tangent. Clear? So it will be 90 degree. Now in a right angle triangle QPO, hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. So it will be 25 square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square, that means 24 square. Clear? Now again 25 square, it will be 625 is equal to p square plus 24 square, it will be 576. P square is equal to 625 minus 576. P is equal to 9, 15 में से 6 लेस हुआ 9, 11 में से 7 जाएगा 4, 5 में से 5 जाए 0, root of 49. So P is equal to the root of, we find the factors of 49, it will be 7 multiplied by 7. So P is equal to the 7 centimeter. So the radius of circle will be 7 centimeter. Clear? Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.